Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to get Telegram messages faster. Open Telegram settings and go to Notifications and Data to prioritize sync behavior. Allow background activity and unrestricted data so messages arrive without delay. Disable battery optimizations and whitelist Telegram in system power settings to avoid holding background processes. Consider using a reliable network and enabling push previews for faster context when messages appear on your lock screen. In this video, I will explain how to get Telegram messages faster. First, customize notification tones and previews so you catch messages the moment they arrive. Set priority notifications for important chats to override Do Not Disturb during critical times. Ensure push notifications are enabled in both app and phone settings. Small tweaks like custom sounds and lock screen previews make a big difference in noticing messages right away. In this video, I will explain how to get Telegram messages faster. Quick recommendation: if you spend time in your car checking messages, Little Tree's black ice makes the drive smell great and keeps you focused. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like so I can keep making short, useful guides. Check the description for the link and other deals, and now let's get back to the video. In this video, I will explain how to get Telegram messages faster. Use a stable Wi-Fi or 5G connection to cut delivery time and prevent lost packets. Update Telegram regularly to receive optimizations that improve sync speed. Clear cache every few weeks to remove bloat that can stall background processes. If problems persist, try reinstalling the app or testing on another device to isolate network from app issues.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.